order of Rakmanov or not. However, the indisputable fact is that Emmamali Rakmanov is a product of war, and he loves war, bloodshed, unrest, threats, and violence, and in such conditions his bones are tense. Because Rakmanov lost everything he found, everything he saw, everything he did. If there was no fratricidal war, Rakmanov would be the head of the district. Nothing more. It was this war that brought Rakmanov from rags to riches. Otherwise, the situation and conditions in the country became the same as now. Laws, and especially the constitution, as they are now called kungirock or diapers under one's own feet. And, last time, in 2016, by announcing a ban on the activities of KHNet and freeing the stage for himself, he made tugri not only behind his back, but also for Rustom's day. The war brought Rakmanoff, taking advantage of the growing fear of war and fear of the Tajiks, did everything wrong. No one said anything, and the situation dragged on to such an extent that other authorities in the country became members of the family